I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, segment of GIS. First time introduced by Dr. Roger. Okay, in 1960 at Canada. Okay, so first time when introduced GIS, so GIS only worked only collecting data and storing data. Then it again develop and analyze the software, and then it is capable to analyzing data and also potential with the land in the rural areas. So also able to get information related to real world. Okay, so this is basically used as now they GIS 10.3 means ArcGIS 10 generally used in present day, either 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4 and 10.4. This version is used for analyzing the data or analyzing the map. Okay, so by the end of 80s, so development is 60s, and at the end of 80s, the use of GIS had already become popular, which is important to growth of industrial sector also. Okay, and recently designer or makers or founder came up with open source software for GIS, and this technology can be enhanced in much simpler way from starting. Okay, so ArcGIS software is very easy to understand and also very easy to analyzing data. Okay, so importance of GIS in surveying also and other field also. So first importance is the GIS inform not only about the activities and event, but it also give information where it is exist. Okay, where the activity exists, where the event exists. Okay, so also important points about the GIS is the solution to problem often require access to several types of information that can only be linked by geography. So geography related information is also access. Geography means all types, either soil types, either moisture contents, either density, population density, forest density, all type of geographical information we can get through GIS. And also GIS allow to store and manipulate information using geography, analyze the pattern, relationship, and also trend. Also inform or analyze about trend in that information to help the better decision, to help the making decision. Okay, so which component of GIS is used? So component of GIS, this software only basic information we have to study, not in depth. So component of GIS is, first is the hardware, second is the software, and third is the data. Also procedures, and peoples. So first component of GIS which work in synchronized manner. So first component is hardware. Okay. So as
मैम डाटा का बात क्या है?
procedures.
Okay मैम.
So hardware generally as used in computer system. So similar hardware is used or similar work function of hardware is also here. Hardware comprises the equipment needed to support the many activities needed for geospatial analysis, ranging and also for collecting data. So main work of hardware is analyzing and collecting data. Okay, similar function as computer. Next component is the software. So which software is used in GIS analyzing data? So different types of software are important for GIS function. Central to this is GIS application package. Such software is essential for creating, editing, okay, and also analyzing and attribute data. Okay, so this function is done by software: creating data, editing data, analyzing data, and also attribute data. This function done by software. Okay, next component is the data. So data is the core of GIS. If data is not available, then nothing is to analyze. So data collecting and data analyzing is main या फिर core component of the GIS. So data is the core component of GIS. There are two types of data used in GIS. First is the vector data and second is the raster data. Okay. So data used in GIS is the first is the vector data. Second is the raster data. Okay. So vector data, what is vector data? So vector data is a spatial data which represent in a point, line or polygon. So vector data is generally represent point, line or in terms of polygon. Okay, and raster data, what is raster data? So raster data is a cell based data, as for example aerial imagery or digital elevation models. So what is raster data? So raster data is a model type data or a image, aerial image or what, or model. So vector data is a point, line or polygon type data, and raster data is in image or models type data. Okay, so this data is usually known as attribute data. So these two data is usually known as attribute data. Vector data and raster data combinedly known as attributes. Combinedly known as attribute. So attribute data generally defined as additional information about each spatial features. So what is attribute? Attribute is the data. Which data? This is the either vector data, either raster data. Okay. So attribute means what? Attribute means simply we can say data. Okay. So which data used in GIS? So raster data is give information in layers. So this type of layer is formed in data. Data is getting layered in layer form. Okay, so this is the raster layer. We can also say raster layer. So each layer have different significance. So either this is base point, imaginary point, land cover, any other wetland or topography. If any other layer, that means different information related to different information, different data, different raster data. So in this way, data is stored raster, or also we can say raster layer. Raster data representing raster layer. Okay. So many different types of data can be integrated into GIS and also represent map in a layer. Okay, different layer, and each layer have a special significance or different significance. So if one layer give information about a street of a town, second layer also give information about flood zone of this town. Next layer is also information about any shopping center. More layer, if any more layer, then also information about a different related things, that is any wetland. Okay, if any other layer is here, then also give information about topography of city. Okay, so each layer contains different types of information, and each layer analyzed by GIS software. Okay, so what is the procedure to analyzing and transforming data? So method or way by which data has to be input in the system, okay, and retrieved, processed and transformed and also present, that is known as procedure. So in procedure of analyzing data, procedures, so procedures is concluding different process, that is data input,